Betani was the first land claim settled in South Africa's land claim process. It's a 5,300 hectare farm. It has an unfortunate history that the beneficiaries are still in dispute, and Betani has not been able to make much progress as a farming community because of these disputes. But the Department of Land Reform and Rural Development is assisting now in the process of the management and administration of the Communal Property Association, the CPA. It will be very difficult for departments to invest in Betani given the current situation with the beneficiaries.
We've invited all the departments in the province of the Free State that are rendering services to the community of Xariep to come and render services to the community of Betani. Remember, Betani, it's a farm in Xariep, and they do not have access to these many services. So for today, we have brought the departments with their service trucks so that they can be able to service the people of Betani.
So where we are starting is to say, let us get food security as a priority in the community going, focusing first of all on our backyard gardens. That is why we are donating starter packs of seed and basic watering cans and stuff like that.
As julle vandag nie die stasiekommissaris tot vandag geken het van Edenberg. There's Captain Jolingana, the stasiekommissaris of Edenberg, and there's Adjutant Magisa, the spear bevelvoerder of Edenberg. I'm going to request them to share their official numbers with you so that when you've got a need, you can call them directly.
Ki MSC Department ya Human Settlement ena tsibisalang ka hore e aha matlo. Re tlile ka our one-stop mobile service truck kiane mo eleng teng. Truck ele ya rona jalo ka le bona e memole. E etsa di function tse pedi, mesebetsi e mebedi e meholo. One, re kgona hore ha o ya mo truckeng o re fa mabitso a hao le ID ya hao, re kgona ho sheba hore na wa hlahella registereng ya batho ba batlang ho ahelwa matlo. So ha o sa hlahelle re tla o thusa hore ro registere hore o be teng ka registereng. Number 2, hona mo truckeng di services tse re fanang ka tsona today. O kgona hore haebe o no ingodisitse khale ka 2016, 2015, 2019 ebe dintlha tsa hao se di fetohile, address di dinomoro tsa mohala jwalo ra kgona hore go thuse re update information ya hao ebe wa kgona hore o hlahelle o be teng ka hare ya lenane la batho ba batlang hore ba ahelwe matlo.
We also have norms and standards of the school, how many learners should the school have to be a viable school, which is 135. And currently, we have a fewer learners that are attending school from here. I think if my numbers are correct, we have 6 learners. But to counter the school that is not functioning here, we have taken those learners to Edinburgh Hostel. They are attending school at the Edinburgh Hostel. So there at Edinburgh Hostel, they stay for free because they are 100% subsidized by the department. And then during the school holidays, as well as during the exit weekends, we provide free transport for those 6 learners to come here and then to go back at the school.
Kom van die departement van binnelandse sake af. Ja, ek dink ons kom gereeld hierso. So ons dienste wat ons altyd hiernatoe bring is oor die ID's. So ons encourage altyd die mense om die kinders te registreer by die hospitale. So wanneer hulle ID's kom maak op die ouderdom van 16 jaar, dan is daar nie 'n probleem nie. Die probleem wat ons altyd kry is kinders wat nie geregistreer is nie. Dan sukkel hulle om ID's te maak. Ons dienste wat ons ook gee is ons laat trou ook, my susters en my broers, né?